Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Maps SDKs you need. This is essential because calls fail without them. Once done, add billing so requests don't get blocked and create an API key. Make sure to restrict the key to your app package or HTTP referrers. Next, install the SDK package into your app and declare location and internet permissions in the manifest. Now you're ready to initialize the map component in code and move to implementation. You'll initialize map fragment or map view and request runtime location permissions. If a permission is denied, explain why and prompt again. Once the map loads, add markers and polylines for routes, adjust camera with animate camera for smooth movement, and wire event listeners for taps or drags. Use the geocoding, places, and directions APIs server-side or via SDK calls, respecting quotas and rate limits. Also implement map lifecycle methods so the view survives rotation and backgrounding. To finish, secure your API key with package name and SHA-1 or appropriate HTTP referrers, and remove any unrestricted keys. Then build a release APK or IPA and test on real devices across network conditions so location and map rendering behave consistently. Monitor usage and errors in Cloud Console, set alerts for quota spikes, and optimize. Cache tiles, debounce location updates, and batch API calls. If something breaks, check key restrictions and quota first. Most failures come from misconfigured keys or exhausted quotas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.